Hey guys, so we're just gonna show you a build we did a while back. We converted this like small dresser. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. I have no idea, or had no idea what it was made of when we first started the build. Had it forever. So we had the idea to make this into a rolling kitchen cart. And make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss any of these kind of builds coming up. So here's the finished product. Looks completely different than the beginning. So you can see it has the wheels on the bottom. We put some cutting boards on top, some storage in between. We actually stained some pieces of board that were already in the dresser to make those shelves. So we didn't waste anything, and we didn't have to buy anything new to do this either. As you can see, I can move it anywhere right next to the stove. I can just plop stuff onto the stove. So it worked out really, really well. So as I said, guys, remember, don't forget to subscribe so you can see builds like this coming up. In the builds we do in the future, we're going to be showing you step by step how to convert, things you found, things you already have, into custom stuff just for you that's going to work perfectly for your space, just like this does for our space. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.